What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Bailey Edwards and I'm here with another video. Today we're going to be doing something super exciting. I have a package here from Noel Hair and we will be doing an unboxing.
I mean, I really think you should.
So as you guys can see, it kind of comes in a box. So I'm going to get this open so we can see what is inside. I know what's inside, so you guys can see what's inside. So what I really like about this particular hair brand is that they send you a silk bag like so to keep your hair in when it's not in your head, which I love, because most brands just kind of send you a box and it's like, where do you store your hair once you're not using it? And let's be honest, when you are investing in something like bundles, you spend the money so that you can wear the hair again. Oh, and before I forget, let's address the elephant in the room, my hair. Okay, my hair, I took out my braids and I washed my hair a few nights ago and just kind of twisted it up. And yeah, so I've just been kind of wearing it like this. Back to the video. Okay, so we have our bag like so. And we have our frontal. And I asked her to send me 2 body wave bundles. And this hair care brand is based out of Texas. So yeah, let's just get, oh no, we got some more stuff in here. I was also sent 2 shirts. Be Beautiful Noel style luxury hair. Okay, let's get right into these bundles. These are their body wave bundles. I got 2 of them, 18-inch. I like to get my bundles all the same length, so that way when I use them again, I'm not searching for a 20-inch here or an 18-inch here. And I also got an 18-inch frontal. So let's just get right into this. I'm really excited about this frontal because I don't really wear frontals. I wear closures, so this is going to be totally new for me. I am going to make a wig out of this hair, so I cannot wait to see how that turns out. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty. This is the frontal. Let's unfold that. It's the 18-inch frontal, and it's already pre-plucked, which is, it's actually pre-plucked and kind of tinted, which is awesome for me because I'm not the best at plucking yet, so I'm super excited about that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Just look at that lace. I'm only gonna have to tint this lace a little bit because it's already semi-tinted, which I also love, and it's very, very soft hair. Let's rub our fingers through it and see if we get some yeah, not much shedding at all, which is something else I love about this hair. All hair sheds, just like our natural hair sheds, but this hair, you won't get much shedding out of this hair either. This is my first time wearing their body wave, but I have worn their straight hair before and I can speak from experience. It is beautiful, it will last you, and it's worth it. Alright, let's get into these bundles. So as you guys can see, these bundles are sealed, which I love. That helps with easy transport. You don't have to worry about your hair getting knotted on its way to you. Also, the shipping, I think I got this hair within 3 days, which is phenomenal, especially with everything that is going on right now in the world. So that is awesome. Alright, so once you get the hair out of the bag, oh, look at that. And I asked for like 18 inches. Usually I'll do like a 20 or 22 or something long like that if it's in the winter. But I asked for 18-inch hair because I live in southern Louisiana and summertime is unforgiving. These bundles are really thick too, which is also another reason why I only got 2. If I need to, I have an extra bundle I can throw with this if I feel like my wig is gonna turn out too thin. That's also from Noel Hair. But yeah, the bundles are so thick that really you only need 2 and a frontal. If I was gonna go with a closure, I would have gotten 3 bundles. Grab the other bundle. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. And so when you kind of put all of this together, that's very thick hair, very soft hair as well. This is 100% virgin hair, and you can definitely tell because, like I said earlier in this video, this hair lasts a very long time. I kind of want to do this just so y'all can kind of see what I'm talking about. So I get that on my head. I'm not gonna have to pluck it much at all. So I wanted to mention that this video is sponsored. She did send me this hair free of charge to me, but I've already worked with her before. My earlier videos on this channel while I was making a few wigs, her hair is well, and I will always give my opinion no matter who I'm working with. And my honest opinion is, this is some of the best hair that I've ever come across. Also, this hair, I know when I get hair, sometimes it comes with this like really funny smell. This hair, it smells clean. I don't even know how that's possible, but I still am gonna wash it before I make the wig with it, but it doesn't smell, it doesn't have a weird smell to it, which is awesome. I love that about this hair as well. So guys, today that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed my first ever unboxing video on this channel. I will leave the link below where you can order this hair from, and it's noel.style, but I will also leave the link below where you can actually order this hair for yourself so you can see what I'm talking about. This hair is amazing. I would not lead you guys in the wrong direction. So as always, thank you so much for watching with me today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. For this month is May. I really want to gain 100 subscribers this month, and I think that is a doable goal, especially with you guys' help. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification button so you'll know what's coming from me next. Thank you so much, and as always, I hope you have a wonderful day.